A bumper can make or break a build. No matter how good you make your car look, if your front or rear bumper looks like crap, people will look at that first. And through the years, my bumper hasn't been the best. Plus, I haven't been a fan of the marker lights at all. So I bit the bullet and bought a Gita bumper, the JDM version of the Sport Cross's bumper, and proceeded to have it restored. New paint, new clear coat, restore the fog lights. I did the restoration of the fog lights myself, and then went and put it on. And the unfortunate bit is that when I went to record the removal of the factory bumper, the camera screwed up, so I couldn't utilize that. So, on a good note, though, is that when you have a Sport Cross and you're going to a Gita bumper, you do not have to do any modifications at all to your crash bar. You just have to remove the styrofoam and put the bumper on. With the sedan, you have to flip it 180 degrees and you have to trim it, but there's none of that with the Sport Cross. Another thing that I did too was while the bumper was off, I swapped the horns that I had in the Corolla to the Lexus because they're nicer looking, and you can see them through the grill. And then I moved the IS horns to the Corolla. So that is everything that I did. Also, I put the LS 460 horns from the IS300 in here. So now we got one item left. It's really beautiful. I restored this too. It looks really good. New clips and new screws. Yeah. So the American or USDM license plates, the holes are actually different spacing. So I was thinking like I could leave it the way it is, or just for the hell of it, because I've always wanted to do this. Let's sooner or later I'll find the thread. Hey, look at that. Without showing where the steering wheel is, you would swear that this is Japan. And it looks so good. I know I gotta work on the hood and a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff, but hey, bumper's first step and it makes a big difference. Even the headlights look so much better with a smile, with a small little buff. I still gotta wire the fog lights, which will be soon. Got a little bit more work to do. This is 34 Hachi signing off.